Triple X arrested for petty theft in Florida.
Alright, ladies, watch your play now. So teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Jamaican social media personality, comedian, actor and selector Triple X, given name Darrielle Anthony Cummings, has been arrested in Florida. This according to the website arrest.org. According to the site, 34-year-old Cummings was arrested in North Lauderdale, Florida on one count of petty theft in the second degree on Wednesday the 26th of August. His bond was set at US $25. At the time of this publication, details of the incident surrounding Cummings' arrest were not known.
Sometimes you have to start over from the very beginning. Nobody afraid of it, you know. Nobody afraid to start over, because starting over sometimes is the best thing you could ever do. Don't give up on yourself. Monday motivation. Don't be afraid to start over. Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!